hiking trail. Look around. That's a lake. And I have this in case a coyote comes. There's a stroll there. And ran away. The lake has fishes in it. No sharks or nothing dangerous. Only for the pirates and no, I'm not gonna do that. It's getting nighttime. Look at the sky. That's a heart. There's a leaf like a heart.
Leaves.
No, did you see the shape? Did you see the shape and the color? The color is blue and white. Whoa! I just made a giant one.
Aryan, मजा आया?
Oh.